Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making scrunchies. This right here is my preferred item for packing my hair in buns, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all exactly how I go about making them. Alright guys, as usual I'll start off by showing you everything you need. I'm going to show you two different ways of making scrunchies. So for this one you're going to need your piece of fabric, your elastic, and a safety pin. So all I'm doing here now is just folding my fabric towards the length, and then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine to pipe it, and this is what we have here. My fabric is ready. Next up I'm going to turn it inside out using my screwdriver. I already went ahead to buy a bodkin for turning my fabrics inside out, but it's yet to get to me, so yeah, that's why I'm using screwdriver to turn my fabric inside out. Next up, I'm going to pass my elastic through. This process is very easy, very straight to the point, and this is a perfect gift item for you or your loved ones. Alright guys, so what I'm doing here is I'm just passing my elastic through. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Fumibi. I make videos about DIY styling. I show you how to make quick items for yourself and your loved ones. So in case you are interested in knowing more about stuff like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and become a part of us on this family. Alright guys, so now that I'm done passing my elastic through my fabric, next up I'm just going to tie it together. Very easy, straight to the point. Once that is done and I've successfully tied the elastics together, next up I'm just going to cut off any stray piece of fabric here and there, and then I'm going to now fold in the edge of this my scrunchie. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys should just watch how I move my hands. That's why I decided to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing really well. So I'm just going to try and tuck the ends of my fabric into each other such that I hide any unkept edges, and once that has been successfully done, I'm going to just take it to my sewing machine and then sew it together just to make everything nice and smooth, and that will be it guys. So this is me now. I'm trying to tuck in my edges together and fold it inwards such that there's no unkept edge showing, right? And once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go to my sewing machine. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like now. Next I'm just going to sew in the direction that I just showed you, and this is my scrunchie. Very cute, very small, and I just really liked how this particular scrunchie turned out. It's just very small and cute, and it packs your hair firmly, especially if you have thick hair like me, or even if you have, if your hair is not so full, this scrunchie is going to come through for you. So this is the next type of scrunchie that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to be using a different method to make this particular scrunchie. I'm going to leave the dimension of the fabric on the screen for you guys, and this is the elastic I'm going to be using and my safety pin, of course, for passing the elastic through the fabric. So what I'm going to do now is I'm also going to fold this fabric along the length, right, and then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. But before doing that, I need to pin my fabric together just to allow things move quickly and smoothly when I take my fabric to my sewing machine. So all I'm going to be doing in this bit of the video is just pinning my fabrics together. This is another call to action. If you're watching this video currently and you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do well to join the family, subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and all that good stuff. So now that I'm done, I'm going to just leave this 2 inches space, or 3 inches, I'm not quite sure, and then sew all the way and leave some space at the edge for turning my fabric inside out. You guys will know the usefulness of the space I'm telling you to leave. So yeah, all I've done now is I just sewed my fabric and then left some space at the edge. A space of about 2 to 3 inches should do, and then I'm now turning my fabric inside out to just move to the next level. Alright guys, so now that I've successfully turned my fabric inside out, the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to tuck the fabrics into each other. Just watch as I go. I'm just going to pull the other edge and then tuck it into the other one, and then take it to my sewing machine again to sew. For this particular method, I know some people might find it a bit tricky, but I'm just going to allow you guys decide which method of making a scrunchie you prefer. Do you prefer the first one, or do you prefer this other one? Let me know down in the comment section when you go ahead to try making a scrunchie for yourself. So all I'm doing now is I'm showing you where to sew, and yeah, I already went ahead to sew that portion. Next up, it's time for me to pass my elastic through my piped fabric. So I'm going to be using my safety pin, of course, and I'm using my binder clip to just secure the elastic so I don't lose it in between my fabric. And I'm just moving through this process really quickly. All you need to do is move your safety pin, and then it's going to help you pass your elastic through your fabric. And once it's out on the other side, instead of tying my elastic together, this time I'm going to just do a simple stitch using my needle and thread to just secure my elastic in place and avoid, you know, losing my elastic or anything like that in between my fabric. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead to just secure the stitch I made on my elastic, and after that I'm going to take my scrunchie back to my sewing machine and then close up that space that I left in, you know, for the purpose of passing my elastic through. And voila, that is it guys. That is the end of this tutorial. This is what my scrunchie looks like. This color is so cute. I'm sure you guys remember this fabric from my previous video, and yeah, this is what the two scrunchies look like. I went ahead to just place them on this my rotating, I don't even know what to call it, rotating item, just to show you guys the finished results. And this is it guys. I made one more. This time I mixed the two colors together, and this is what the result looks like. This is me also wearing this on my hand. If you made it to this point in the video and you're yet to hit the subscribe button, please do well to join the family, become a part of this family. Okay, I can't wait to have you guys with me on this journey here on YouTube. All right guys, that's it again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.